week we had the whole Fugu conversation. The Ghana Kente Association in Bonray have decided to say that if you're going to make Fugu a big deal, you must also make Kente a big deal. But I don't know what to say about that, because when it comes to Kente, we've seen that during the beginning of this year, Kente have now become one of the trademarks in Ghana. So you cannot just sell Kente just anywhere. You have to get it at the original place or the original website. So I don't know what is going on, but let's get into that. So Kente weavers in Bonray and the Ashanti region are calling on the government to declare a National Kente Day to recognize and promote Ghana's iconic traditional fabric. The artisans say that while the introduction of National Fugu Day is commendable, Kente, a globally recognized symbol of Ghanaian identity, royalty, and culture, also deserves a dedicated day of celebration.